Thank you. What is the meaning of treasurer? Treasurer is a person who is appointed to administer or manage the financial assets, liabilities of a society, company, local authority, or any other body like non-profit organization, Toastmasters. So that is the meaning of treasurer. In this today's session, we are going to discuss the 3 R. Can somebody tell what are those 3 R? You can unmute and say if you wish. The 3 R's are treasurer rule, treasurer responsibilities, and treasurer resources. The session objective is identify your role, fulfill your responsibilities, and find resources that helps you. Now, what is the role of treasurer? So now we will be dividing all the members into 4 breakout rooms. Please go to the breakout room, discuss among yourself, among the team members, and write down the points, what you feel the role of treasurer. You can write minimum 8 points. So the role of treasurer. So I hope all the members, participants already numbered.
Yes, I have numbered them.
Yes. So I can see around maximum 41 members are already there in the team. I request the 10 members each will be in each breakout room. Okay. So Toastmaster Amu, have you created the breakout room?
Yeah, I have created the breakout room. Shall I open them all?
Yes, open them all, and you can see the numbers. Number 1 to 10 join breakout room 1. 11 to 20 room number 2. 21 to 30 room number 3, and 31 to 40 and above room number 4. After going there, please one of you volunteer yourself as a captain, note down the points.
Excuse me, I am number 13, but I've been asked to go to room number 3. I should be room number 2, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I will send you to room number, yeah.
I think for me also, you have to send room number 2.
Did you get the request?
I got the request in room number 4, I think.
I got the request to room number 3. Actually, my number is 38.
So kindly go to room number 38.
It is applicable to everyone. It seems like I'm my number 27, but I'm assigned to room number 2. Is it okay? I go there, join breakout room.
You were sent. What is your number again?
27.
My number 27.
27. 1 second. Did you get the new one?
Yes, yes. Yeah, got it. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I received the room 1 and I'm 42.
1 second. Did you get the request?
Yes.
For me, I'm 11.
Okay, I have sent to you. Okay. Okay, for those who I haven't numbered, I will just randomly send you to your rooms, okay? Toastmaster Shyam Sundar Menon, could you go to your breakout room? Toastmaster Sanjeev, you're muted.
Thank you. Thank you. And Toastmaster Fatima, you can go to breakout room, room number 1. And you can, I think, room number 3 have been less people, participants. So those who are coming later, you can send room number 3. Good evening once again. We have created the breakout room. So people are already assigned to the breakout room. You can go to any of the breakout room if you wish, and you can join them. Then we'll meet after a few minutes in the main session. In the breakout room, generally they are discussing and noting down what is the role of treasurer. Good afternoon once again. Those of you who have not yet gone to the breakout room, kindly go to join any breakout room if you wish. We have created 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will meet here after maybe 5-7 minutes. Our moderator is assigning you and sending the request to
Yes,
join the
I am
breakout room.
sending them the.
Yeah.
I think 1 more minute is left.
To be 10 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, did anyone have any questions?
We have answers.
Have answers,
you're
and we do not know if you want to move into the main room, or how does that work?
Okay, yeah, so after like 10 minutes, I will send a message and you'll have to come to the main room, and then one of you will have to answer the questions when the mod trainer will ask you.
Cool.
Okay, yeah, okay. You are muted, yeah.
So you have to be here for 10 minutes. Is that what you said?
Yeah, I will just send, I think it's almost time. I'll just send a message and you can come back. Okay.
That'd be wonderful. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, what happened to Master Ammu?
Thank you. I'll just send a message. Okay.
You'll send the message to come out in 2 minutes.
Yeah. I'll just send it now.
To all, huh?
Yeah.
Good evening to one and all.
Good evening, good evening. We have created
Mahesh.
the breakout room
Yeah.
and people are already in the breakout room discussing the points.
Oh,
Yeah, so
I'm a little late because here I'm in India now.
no problem, no problem. Thank you for joining. You can enjoy here. Or if you, anyhow, the
Thank you.
breakout room is going to be closed in 2 minutes.
All right. Can you send me to the breakout room now?
No, they are going to come back now. So already
Oh.
come back. Yeah.
Great. Fine.
So Toastmaster Ammo, let me know once everybody are back.
Yes.
So good afternoon once again and welcome back from the breakout room to the main session. I hope you got some points. I request the captain of room number 1, please unmute yourself and introduce your name, then present your points, what you have discussed.
Thank you, DTM Sanjeev. I am Osman from Young Adults Toastmasters Club. And the team representative, we have gathered few points which I would like to present. And of a treasurer, our team says that it is a role of a treasurer to collect the money. It's a role of the sponsorship for the clubs, just in case we have any events, or it is the role of a treasurer to do the budget of the club, to do the financial reports and auditing, anything related to the taxation. He or she is the person who attends all the ExCom meetings without fail. Treasurer has he or she acts as a support in planning the club growth. He or she ensures renewing the memberships, keeps the record of all the transaction. In short, reconcile the accounts, expenditure and receipts. So that's it from our team.
Thank you, Toastmaster Hussain. You deserve a good round of applause. So I request the captain of room number 2, kindly unmute yourself and show you on your video and put your points.
I am the captain of room number 2. Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Toastmasters.
Good afternoon.
My name is Raj Shekhar. I am from Aura Toastmasters Club. Our group, in our group, we discuss almost all the same points that I already covered. Collection of dues. Toastmaster Aman Khan said that dues collection and forecasting of the expenditure is important. Toastmaster Smita added that record keeping, planning and budgeting. Toastmaster Jackson said the status report the status of the club financial at any point of time. Toastmaster Thomas added that we can have an audit. The treasurer should also have an audit committee to audit the accounts. And Toastmaster Najim and Toastmaster Clinton of Dow Club also said that Basically, the treasurer is the finance manager of the club. Only one point I added as the captain was that all treasurers who are elected as treasurers must have a credit card, because when we have to pay Toastmaster International, we have to use a credit card. We cannot use a debit card. We cannot pay cash. We cannot pay in any other means. We need to have a credit card. So those who are here who don't have a credit card, please apply and get a credit card as soon as possible, or at least use your husband, wife, brother, sister, somebody's credit card to keep, because when you need to pay to TMI, upload the funds, you will need a credit card. That's the only point I added.
Thank you,
that's my
DTM
report.
Rajsekhar. Thank you very much. I think he deserves a big round of applause. Now I request the captain of room number 3, please come forward and mute your mic.
Hi, good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters, fellow treasurers. This is Nagendra from the Bahrain Distinguished Toastmasters Club. And in our team, most of us had the opinion that, of course, like all others, the treasurer is basically the finance manager of the club. And they do the monitoring of the finances in the club. And the treasurer has to make a budget before he starts before the start of the term. And I think the last one we had was the head treasurer has to balance the finances of the club. In my opinion, with the current situation where we don't have physical meetings, getting money or getting the finances from your fellow members is quite a challenge. This is where I would recommend that if you are going to get finances from your members, you may be able to get to a bank account or whichever, but please ensure that if there is a situation that you are applying for any other visas or something, there may be a situation people will ask, why did you get all these short amounts in your credit? So please keep that in mind and ensure that if you are trying to get money into your account, make it to an account which is not your primary account. With that, back to you.
Thank you very much, DTM Nagendra, for your excellent, and thanks to your team members. You deserve a big round of applause. I request the captain of room number 4, please come forward and unmute yourself and say your points. Captain of room number 4.
Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and fellow treasurers. My name is Seju Sam. I am from PGF Toastmaster. In our group, we have discussed almost 7 points. The first one is treasurer should ensure timely collection of fees, basically on March 1st and September 1st. Then treasurer's responsibility is payment of bills. Like nowadays, since it is online, the Zoom bills, then flyers, trophies, and all those things, if required. Maintaining the record of all the funds, inflow and outflow. Crediting funds to TMI. Of course, we are collecting and we have to credit it to the TMI as well. Then the statement of accounts to be presented in the ExCom meeting. That is another one. Then budgeting, it was the other point which has been discussed. These were the points which we had discussed in room number 4.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Seju, and all the participants of room number 4. You all deserve. So now we are going to see whether your points are correct or not. So let us go to our presentation. The role of treasurer. You already have discussed the points, and now we'll discuss about the responsibilities of treasurers. Treasurers have a lot of responsibilities during the club meeting, outside the club meeting, and to the executive committee members. I request everybody please mute. During the club meetings, you have a lot of responsibilities. What are those? We'll go through one by one. And before the club meetings, what is your rules? Again, we will go through one by one. Before the club meetings, we have to prepare the financial report. The financial report is what exactly? For a Toastmasters, what is those financial reports? Are we going to make profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, or just a receipt payment account or outstanding? During the club meetings, what you will do, you will collect the membership dues and report on the club finances. How you are going to report the club finances? You can say, at the beginning of the month, I had opening this much cash and I have collected this much, and expenses we have this much, and this much is the closing balance, and following members have not yet paid. So you can prepare a receipt payment account types. And outside the club meeting, we have a lot of things to do. Prepare a budget, provide bank with bank signatory card. How many of you got the bank accounts? I think one or two maybe. Okay, so provide the bank with the bank signatory card. When the Toastmasters year change, the executive committee also changes. So maybe for the bank signatory, you need to approach to the bank to change the signatory, maybe president, secretary, and treasurer. Yeah. So always remember that if you have bank account, I don't think our district 20 is having some bank account. So by chance, if you have the bank account, you are a old club and your local authority allowed you to open the bank account. So always update the signatory card. Then collect and pay the dues, submit new members applications, issue checks for the club expenses, keep financial records. So that is outside the club meeting. During the club meetings, I have already discussed, collect the membership dues, report on club finances. So now outside the club meeting, present financial reports, submit club accounts for audit, attend executive committee meetings, reconcile deposits, expenditures, and cash on hand. Ensure club meets government tax regulations. Receive financial correspondences and prepare for audit committee. How many clubs actually doing the audit and have the audit committees? Can you just raise your hand? Quite few, correct? Great. Now, as a treasurer, you have a lot of responsibilities with the executive committee. You have to prepare the budget, present financial reports, submit club accounts for audits, works with executive committee on a club success plan. How can you add the points as a treasurer? How you are going to help with the club success plan? What is exactly the club success plan? Today morning, there was a presentation about the club success plan. Hope you all have attended this. Yeah. So the club success plan, every club has their goals. Club, area, division, district. So they have the goals. And if you will go through the club success plan, how you are going to get the DCP points? So treasurer will help. You are one of the member among the 7 executive committee members. There are 2 DCP points we are getting when adding 4 members, again another 4 members. So basically getting the money from the new members. Of course, your team like vice president membership, he is going to help us. And apart from that, you will also help the executive committee to get the DCP in the educational area. And today you are attending the club officers training, and every 6 months there will be a club officers training. If you are attending both club officers training, at least 4 members from your club then you will get one DCP. So now, how to fulfill the treasurer responsibilities? So how will you fulfill this responsibility? Just do the brainstorming. When will each action be completed? Who is available to help you? And what materials and resources can you use? Now, we are going to present some scenarios. So please, I'm reading the scenarios and we will have the voting, polling from all of you. The scenario 1 is a member submits membership dues payments to the club on time, and the member has a receipt proving they paid to the club. However, as a treasurer, you submit membership dues payments to world headquarters on late. As a result, the member is disqualified from the speech contest. You all know that to participate in the contest, the member should be in good standing and the club should be in good standing. Good standing means they must have paid the Toastmasters International fees. So as a treasurer, it is your duty that your excellent, brilliant and champion Toastmasters, they are already a paid members. So this is the question to you. We have question is, who is responsible? A member is responsible or the treasurer or both? So Toastmaster Amu, can you please send the poll to everybody?
Yes, I'll send it now. I hope everybody has seen it, can see it.
So we have 5 seconds more to vote.
Just for 20 seconds.
20 seconds, yeah. So thank you everyone for giving the excellent vote, and 76% of you voted that treasurer is responsible and 24% voted that both of you. Who is responsible? And no one of you voted for the member. Yes, of course, the member has already paid the money. Yeah. So the money has already gone to the treasurer. Then why the treasurer will not pay? If treasurer has a problem on online or don't have credit card, like Toastmaster Rajsekharan said that as a treasurer, you must be having the credit card. But you are all 7 officers. We are team. So if you are unable to pay, you can request some of you like president, vice president, education, membership, PR, secretary, even sergeant at arms, they will help you. And some of you also brilliantly replied that both, yes, you paid the money, you are a contestant. So it is your responsibility because you are going to sign the form, eligibility form. So you have to ensure that your membership is already updated in the roster and paid the money. In case not paid, please follow up with the treasurers. So thank you very much for voting this. And I think you have enjoyed this one. Now we are going to present another scenario. The scenario 2. You experience difficulty motivating the members to membership dues early. But as per your past experience or the club's experience, they are always there paying the money. Okay, but you are facing difficulty to get motivated and get the payment before the due date of the Toastmaster International. So what should you do? The options are, if they are not paying, it is not your problem. Let them not renew on a time. Second option, make the club's due date a few weeks earlier than the TMI due date. Option 3, pay from your pocket and renew all members. Option 4, you just inform to ExCom and sit silent. So now Toastmaster Ammu, can you please send the poll to everyone? Thank you. So we have 20 seconds. Kindly vote. So already 40 persons voted. Thank you very much. And you can see the 93% people replied. They make the club's due date few weeks earlier than the TMI due date. So when is the TMI due date? When the renewal comes? We are renewing from what date to what date? October to March and April to September. Yeah. So at the end of September, we should renew for October to March. And at the end of March, we should renew for April to September. So, you know, they are brilliant. All of your club members, they are paying the money. So put your club's target date little bit ahead, say 15 days ahead, so that everybody will pay the money and you can renew on time. Yeah. And some of you quietly generous, so much generous, pay from your pocket and renewal members. But my dear friends, if they are not paying, what will you do? You have already paid from your pocket, correct?
But in question it is mentioned, but they are always
Yes,
paying.
that is to create the fun. We want to know actually how many people, they are so much generous. So in case of bad debt, are you mentally ready to bear that loss? So that is
Excuse me.
excellent.
That
because,
is
you know,
that is sometimes they may
Yeah.
not have the internet facilities or something like that. So at that case, we can definitely pay, and depending upon the reliability of the payment.
Thank you for your thinking. I know so many Toastmasters are sponsoring to the Toastmasters Club, so they don't bother because they think that this is an educational platform, and you know, if we'll contribute something, that is one of the service to the society. So that is good thinking. But I think one person replied, "You just inform to the excom and sit silently." So he's maybe very lazy person. You just inform to the excom and sit silently. Then what is the rule of our treasurer? We are here, you know, we are always following the integrity, respect, service, and excellence. So to provide the service, we are here. So my dear Toastmasters, don't sit silently. Try to put your efforts as much as possible. And I am sure by your hard work and dedication, definitely we will reach the goal. Thank you very much, my dear Toastmasters. Now we'll go to the next point, scenario 3. Scenario 3 is the previous club treasurer did not keep adequate records. What should you do? The option 1 is at the beginning of the year or beginning of the term of office, take possession of all available records and review the audit committee's report, then begin monitoring the club finances as efficiently and create record for the future. Second option, just shout at the previous treasurer why you didn't do and shout on the executive committee. Option 3 is you will also not maintain any record like previous treasurer. So moderator, kindly present the full options. Thank you, and 20 seconds starts now. So out of 59, we got 45 votes, 43, almost 96%. They have given the vote for the first one. At the beginning of your term of office, take possession of all available records and review the audit committee's report. Then begin monitoring the club finances as efficiently, create records for the future. Yeah, excellent. See, you all are become the treasurer from now itself. You all are brilliant and intelligent. Nobody voted that shouted the previous treasurer and executive committee. And I think 2 members, they voted, you will also not maintain any record like previous treasurer. This is not good, brother or sister. This is not accepted. So we are dedicated to our Toastmasters and we should try our best to provide the best service. And the correct answer is question number 1. Thank you all of you for participating in these scenarios. Now moving forward, we have completed the scenarios. I hope you have also forwarded some questions to our moderator during that session. We will discuss. And now we have discussed the treasurer rules, treasurer responsibilities, and apart from this club officers training, which are the places or resources we can get the activity of treasurer. So we can learn the activity of job description of the treasurer by attending this sponsored club officers training program, read the materials, then meet with outgoing executive committee members, meet with outgoing treasurer, meet with current executive committee members, review policies and protocol, prepare a budget. Review records and financial reports and audit committee's report, provide bank with the signatory card. These are the additional resources for the treasurer, distinguished club program and club success plan, which you can easily find from the toastmasters.org, success communication series and success leadership series, that is also available in toastmasters.org. Submitting club dues, that is also available in toastmasters.org in the club central, and use of Toastmasters materials, that is toastmasters.org you will get, and membership list. Okay, and we have also the resources available at the, you will be receiving the club success plan and the club leadership manual. In the club leadership manual, everybody's, like starting from president, vice president, education, membership, PR, treasurer, secretary, everybody's roles are defined. So now we are moving towards the question answer session. So first, our moderator will be asking the question, whatever she got. And if our time permits, then we'll go through one by one question from you also. So now is the question answer session. Moderator, you got some questions?
Yes, Sanjeev, can I ask you the first question?
Yeah, kindly mute everybody when we are speaking.
Okay. The first question is, what is the impact of VAT in Toastmasters membership fees?
Okay, great, excellent question. So I think some of the team members also, they have noted down that they will follow the rules of taxation or something like that, correct? So I know many experts are available here. Yeah. So I request some of you, can you please reply to this question? What is, yeah, you can repeat again the question, Toastmaster Amu.
Yes. What is the impact of VAT in Toastmasters membership fees?
VAT means value added tax. So what is the impact of VAT in the Toastmasters fees? Can anybody come forward, unmute yourself, and DTM Abdul Hadi, you can say anything about this question, sir?
Yeah, good afternoon, Sanjeev.
Yeah, good afternoon, Toastmaster Pradeep. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, the VAT is only applicable the spending which we are doing in Bahrain, and that is for the local purchasing. VAT will not be impact anything with the Toastmaster fees because we are paying to the Toastmaster International. So it is not impacting as far as membership fees is concerned.
Thank you, excellent answer. Anybody can share any other answer? In Kuwait, the VAT has started or not? Any member from Kuwait?
Hello. I think
Hi.
Hi Chandran here.
Yes, yes, Toastmaster Chandran.
What I think, Mr. Tandip, I think the VAT will not applicable for this this one because it is a non-profit organization. Number one. I think so. The question of VAT will not applicable for this. This is my this is my view.
Thank you very much for sharing your ideas. Indeed, both of you are correct because Toastmaster International is a non-profit organization, and yes, DTM Rajsekaran.
There is no VAT in Kuwait.
Okay, great.
as of now. So
yeah, because there is a plan. Yes. So thank you very much. Again, there are some other criteria in Bahrain for the VETs which we are not attracted. So this question, our GCC country, there is no taxation in direct taxation. So VAT is not applicable to the non-profitable organization, and there is a slab also. And DTM Pansankar, you have anything to share related to this question?
Yes, DTM Sanjeev, it's a very nice question. See, actually, as a Toastmasters club, we are not registered. We are not registering our club in either Bahrain or Kuwait ministry under sports club or education club. Nothing. We are not registering under our ministry. So VAT is not applicable. We are registering with the Toastmaster International, and we are doing the transaction online directly to Toastmasters International.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And Toastmaster Omo, what is the next question?
The next question is, do we always have some balance to hand over to the next XCOM?
Do we have always some balance to hand over to the next XCOM? Yes. So I want the answer from you. So I request some of you kindly come forward and give this answer. I have the answer, but we want the interactive section. DTM Zulfikar sir, you can speak. Yes, sir, please.
Well, you would definitely have to have some balance because otherwise you have managed your budget so well that you have taken and spent every single penny. It's not possible. You have to have at some balance that you're going to hand over to the next treasurer. And the moment you have any balance, you have to have a set of accounts to prove that that balance is the right balance.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Anybody has any other answer?
Hi, this is Bala from Toastmasters.
Yes, yes.
It's more of like a precedent, and it's one of the things that when you try to inherit the treasurer role from the previous XCOM, it is always good to give them a positive balance, saying that, okay, you know what, we did well and we want you to achieve more. So it's kind of like a movement of the positivity. So it's something good to have, nice to have, but I mean, again, it all depends on the circumstance that you are in. I mean, Corona has made us go away from real meetings to virtual meetings. So quite a bit of cash kind of does become stagnant. But yes, I think it's more of like a positivity rather than any hard and fast rules. That's my take.
Thank you, Toastmaster Bala. Yes, it is better to have some balance. And as I told you from beginning, that if no money, then no honey. Yeah. So thank you, DTM Zulfikar, for sharing the ideas. Yes, there will be some balances, and it is the responsibility of previous treasurer to hand over the money along with the justification that how this balance has arrived and should hand over to the next treasurer. And as a current treasurer, it is your responsibility to take handover with the physical case from them. So, Toastmaster Omo, what is the next question?
The next question is, what if we do not have sufficient funds for recurring expenses after budgeting exercise is?
So what if we don't have sufficient balance or we don't have money? So I request someone of you kindly come forward and answer this. You can repeat once again the question. Yes, sir. DTM Zulfikar, sir.
There are two very important earning methods in Toastmasters, which gives the club also a good name. One is YLP, and the second one is Speechcraft. These are the ways where you don't burden the members, so to say, and you are able to spread the name of your club, spread the name of Toastmasters, and spread the values of Toastmasters and the teaching capabilities of Toastmasters to the general public. So, and at the same time, make the treasury and the account of the club better so that we can meet our expenses.
Thank you. Excellent. Anybody has any other answer for this question? See, now basically we are in the virtual. All the meetings are happening in the virtual. So for the club meetings, physical meetings, yes, we need at least the water, tea, coffee, or some sort of snacks with some materials. But now last 1.5 years, we are always in the virtual meeting, and basically all the club members, they are paying the Toastmaster International fees. As such, we are not facing this type of financial crisis. But as some of the members already replied that they will pay from the pockets, and it is quite generous, and thanks for sponsoring. Maybe you can apply that one also. So thank you very much. And in the next 4 or 5 minutes, we are going to conclude the session because session is 1 hour. We started already at 3:30 and it is 4:22. What is the next question, Toastmaster Omu?
The next question is, what are the challenges I might face or have to keep in mind as a brand new treasurer and without any accounts knowledge?
Yes, you are a treasurer and you have no accounts background. So what are the challenges you are going to face? So can I request somebody to reply?
Hello, this is Chandran.
Hi.
I don't think there is a required knowledge, I mean, for this question, because it's not like including debit, credit, or balance sheet or something. It is just money collection and paid. So whatever is left over, it is just a simple account. So I don't think it is, you need accounting background for do this job.
Excellent answer. Actually, there is no critical, accounting functions here like debit the receiver, credit the giver, or you don't have to apply the golden principles of the accounts. It is just you can monitor a simple Excel sheet that receives payments account, opening balance. Yeah, Toastmaster Pradeep.
In addition, that we don't need to have that kind of knowledge required to be maintained the books like debit credit. But again, there is resources is available to teach and understanding. Just like we have a training officers trainings, and there is material available on the Toastmaster websites. So it can benefit the additional knowledge if it is required to maintain the books.
Excellent. So I hope you got the answer. So what is the next question, Toastmaster Omu? Sorry, Zulfikar sir, you have to say anything?
There is one point that, see, I have no accounting background or accounting knowledge, and I have been a treasurer. I've maintained everything correctly, but there is something that we need to do is reconciliation. If reconciliation is not correct, you will not know whether you are right or wrong. This is a layman who has no idea. And because Toastmasters is a learning laboratory, a layman like me can be a treasurer and learn the process.
Excellent. Thank you very much. So, Toastmaster Omu, what is the next question?
The next question is, a club having lots of money in their kit, the treasurer recommends TO give back to members, like collect half of the TMI fees from members and the balance to pay from the club. If the ExCom objects.
Yeah. So once again, you can repeat the question. Everybody, please listen carefully, and I want the answer from you. Of course, I'll add my views. Once again, you repeat.
Okay. A club having lots of money in their kit, the treasurer recommends TO give back to members, like collect the half of the TMI fees from members and the balance to pay from the club, if ExCom objects.
Okay, so any of you can come forward and through your views. Yes, Zulfikar sir.
This is a question which has a lot of two double-sided, you can have opinions. But in my opinion, you have to see if the club has made the funds because the previous years used to pay extra, then it is not fair to subsidize the new members, membership fees, because this is like somebody paying for me to be in Toastmasters, which is ridiculous. But if the club has earned that money, like for instance, you did lots of ILPs, lots of speech crafts, and you earned that money, and you are going to subsidize the fee for the club, it's an incentive for members to join. Well, that is a different matter. But it depends where the money has come from, then we should decide.
Thank you very much. And I'll add something. You alone cannot decide on the club's money. Okay. So you have to call the ExCom meeting. If ExCom agrees, then maybe in the general body meeting, it should be properly minuted. Whatever will be the utilization of money, it has to be properly minuted, and majority must be voted on this, because it is a money matter, because money can break the relation and make the relation. So be careful, don't try to take the alone decision on money matter, because you are treasurer and you are the custodian of money. Please don't do that. Thank you very much. We'll take the last question.
Can I give the next question?
Yeah, it is the last question.
Okay. What is the importance of bank signatory card? Is it mandatory to have a bank account?
Is it mandatory to have a bank account? Can anybody reply to this question? This is the last chance for you, sir.
This Chandran again.
Yes, Chandran.
I think there is no need for that. What I purposely feel, there is no need for a bank account, because opening a bank account in the name of a treasurer or a club is very difficult, because we need a lot of resolution. So better you have to, because it's not like just like opening a bank account, because there are a lot of procedure to open the bank account. Better not to open the bank account and keep the money with the treasurer.
Yeah, it is not mandatory also to open the bank account unless you have 200, 300 members. And if you have 200, 300 members, you cannot have the effective meeting. So it is not mandatory to have the bank accounts. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining this session. So if I think you got already the feedback form. So today during the discussion, what we have, I'm going to summarize. We have discussed about the role of treasurer, the responsibility of treasurer, and treasurer resources. So now we are coming to the concluding session. And thank you very much to our moderator, Toastmaster Ramu. I think she deserves a big round of applause. And before we go ahead further, I request everybody, please switch on your video so that we can take the photos, group photo, and we will conclude the session. I request everybody kindly switch on the video. Mr. Ramu, you are taking the video.
Yes, I am taking the pictures.
Thank you. Thank you. So thank you, my dear Toastmasters. It was a pleasure to meet all of you in this session, and maybe sometime somewhere we'll meet in another session. And hereby DTM Sanjeev signing off from the club officers training for the treasurer. Thank you very much and have a good evening to you all of you. Now
Thanks,
we'll conclude the session.
No attendance form to fill in, only feedback form?
Yeah, only feedback form, because you have already logged in. So our PQD already registered, means you have already registered.